let's do some stuff. Oh, you wanna fight? Oh. やるかてめえ。Yo, let's go. How to fight again? This guy's name is Endo. Auto. His name is Endo. 名前が Endo だった。And yeah, that's a meme that mostly only Japanese people will understand why I said Endo Auto. Yamazaki Auto! Oh my god, there's someone who knows what I'm talking about! Tanaka Taikiko! Oh my god, I love you guys for understanding that. I freaking love Gaki no Tsukai. I love Gaki no Tsukai. Nice. For the people who don't know, Gaki no Tsukai is a show that's been around in Japan for like a million years. With a team, 5 members, 5 Japanese comedians. Yes! I didn't know that was really gonna work. I was hoping for it. Did I just get an achievement for that? Oh!